Hello everyone, I'm James and you are watching Good Times Tech YouTube channel. As I have seen that many people when they send some pictures or documents through WhatsApp, and after sending them, and if the documents and pictures are confidential, they delete it from the chat, but they forget to delete it from the folder which is there in the WhatsApp main folder. So today I'll show you where to find that folder, pictures or documents, and delete them from the phone completely. So what happens, sometimes you will not delete it from the sent items, but you will delete it only from the chats, and sometimes you will delete it only from the gallery, but still those pictures they remain in the recycle bin or the sent folder of the WhatsApp. So let's see where the folder is located, and try to delete it from there. So here, for that, go to menu. In that, select file manager. File manager or file explorer. As you see in this phone, it is file manager. Select file manager. And if your Android version is quite middle one or the latest one, you will find it as you can click directly on the internal and external storage, and you can select the folder, but here in this we can't select it, just shows the details. As you can see, we can't open the files. For that we should select local, and in local check where the WhatsApp is installed. It will be installed on external storage or internal storage. So on the external storage, it's not installed on the external storage. So again go back, click on internal storage. Okay, here you can see all these folders. Okay, these files and folders. In this one, just go scroll it down as W comes nearing to last alphabet in the English alphabets. So WhatsApp will be in the down, located somewhere down. So touch on the WhatsApp folder. Here you will see many folders, that is shared, sticker, thumbs, stash, etc. Select media. As you can see here, media. Touch on media. In media, again you will find many folders. So in this, if you want to delete the sent images which you have sent through WhatsApp, select images. As you can see, these are the images which I have sent, selecting from my gallery. So the latest, I'll show it to you. All these are the images. I have deleted some of them from the sent chat, but it still remains in the sent folder. Sorry, I need to select the sent. Here, this is the sent folder. Select on sent folder. As you can see, these are the sent items. Here you can see the latest one, that is this particular image. This image was sent on 15/4/2020. 15/4/2020, that is yesterday. So I will select this. I should be able to delete it, but here I don't know what's happening. Just let me check. Unable to open the file. Okay. Now as you see, image. Which all you want to delete, you can select them in this way. Select them. Select the items which you want to delete. Then as you can see this recycle bin icon, just touch on the icon. Delete the selected items. It does ask for delete the selected items. Just say OK. Now these are deleted. Now there are chances that as we delete many items, and these items they may appear here in the they will appear in the bin. And also we have seen that many times when we delete some videos, audios, etc., those files, those pictures, they are not completely deleted from your phone. They still appear in your phone's recycle bin. So we need to delete it from there as well, because if by chance anyone takes the phone and touches on this restore button, restore icon, restore information or the tab, all the pictures which are in the recycle bin will be restored back to their original location. That is gallery, whether it is camera, whether it is WhatsApp folder, whether it is videos, etc. So to avoid that, we need to click on these three dots on the top and click on the empty bin. So it will ask, see here, as you can see there are 1469 items which are not used for me, which I have deleted, but I didn't clear the recycle bin. And on the other hand, they keep on using the storage space. So to get rid of this, just click on delete. All the 1400 items will be cleared from my phone. This is the way we can delete it completely. And after this deletion, then again we'll go to file manager here. I was in the WhatsApp. As you can see, I showed you about the WhatsApp media. In that media, even sometimes it happens that you have sent some confidential documents through WhatsApp. As you can see, these are the documents. In these documents again we have a sent folder here. So from that we can delete the files, the confidential files which we have sent to someone else, and we do not want it to remain in our phone. We can delete it from here. In this way you can save your confidential pictures, videos and documents. And the video folder is also same way situated here itself, media and images. As you can see, there is a folder for WhatsApp videos as well, and in this also you see sent items. These are the sent for videos. You can delete them as well. Just touch on them, say touch on the icon, recycle bin icon, delete. Hope this video was informative and helpful for you in deleting your unwanted pictures or confidential pictures and documents from your phone which have been sent through WhatsApp, as well as which are stored in the recycle bin. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.